If you are looking for the best free online logo maker, irrespective of whether you need a YouTube logo or business logo or of any other purpose, stay on until the end. This is your friend Mr. UG Money to take you through the tutorial. Okay. Let's go. Open canva.com. Sign in using your Google account or Facebook account for free. This site has both free and paid options. However, I also use the free option. Search for the YouTube logo in the search Canva bar. In fact, you can make thumbnails and intros for free from this site. However, try to avoid copyrighted material. Only use materials that are free. So, the templates you see here are customizable. Remember to use only free materials. With a word free and pro or premium or dollars representing paid materials. So, I'm using this with a slogan. It's electric. As we said, let's customize it. Change its electric to your slogan or with your channel name. Then delete the red symbol and replace it with your symbol. Click Photos and then search for a photo related to your slogan, mission or channel name. I'm searching for help photos as my slogan is here to help you. Once you see your right image, just click on it and it'll appear on your logo. Then edit it the way you wish. You can also change the background color. After all that, click download and then save your logo onto your device.